Hello, champion. In this episode today, we're going to be sharing with you an amazing Super Bowl recipe. What I like to call is a how we say, raw chili. Let's get right to it. And guys, make sure you subscribe to this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Get tied in. This is amazing. Here we go. So we got a lot of live food here. So we got some tomato, we have some onion, some fresh garlic, some fresh bell pepper, some fresh cilantro. We have some of George's all-purpose rub. We got some Himalayan salt with black pepper. We have some nutritional yeast, B12. We have some of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the original. We have some chili. We also have 3 different beans. We have kidney beans, black beans, and cannelli beans. We're going to get right into this, guys. So what we're going to do first is we're going to take all these ingredients. Oh, by the way, we also have some habanero that we diced up. We're going to probably put a little bit of lemon juice in there as well. I'm going to splash a little bit in there as well. Just like that. Then I'm going to take, you know, like about a handful maybe, or not handful, but like a paw full of cilantro. I'm going to put this whole bell pepper in here. The whole bell pepper is going in. Going right into the pool. I'm gonna use the rest of that cilantro there for garnish. Guys, you know, Super Bowl Sunday. Awesome time. No matter what team's playing, you know, a lot of time with family. There's the habanero, put that in there. There's the fresh garlic, you put that in there. There's the onion and the tomato. I used about 1/4 of an inch thickness or so of onion, chop that up. The whole process probably took about, I don't know, 10 minutes, possibly, the most. Okay, I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of chili powder. I'm gonna take about a tablespoon of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, the original. Gonna put that in there, okay? Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna put in about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, that's B12. I'm gonna put the salt and pepper. This is the Himalayan pink salt with a little black pepper. Put that in there. I'm gonna put some of George's, about a tablespoon of George's all-purpose rub. Put that in there, boom, boom. So now we're gonna do, just mix this up. Mix this up nice. Just mix it all together, mix it all together, mix it all together. So they can all play nice in the pool. This is awesome, guys. So they can play nice in the pool. And this is real simple, guys, real simple. As I did in the last episode, we talked about doing the guacamole. We made the guacamole in our last episode, and this is part 2, which is episode 2, where we're doing what I like to call the raw chili.
Smells good.
It smells delicious, doesn't it, Aaron? My
Good.
son Aaron behind the camera, it's hard for him to be quiet because he just loves the smell of delicious food. So we got this moving, grooving, and we're just mixing it all up. Look how delicious and beautiful and colorful this is. Not only is this delicious, it's healthy for you too. You got the protein in here. You have the vegetables in here. Well, actually, it's fruit from the tomato. Then you have the pepper, the bell pepper in here, which is awesome. We just mix this around. And guys, make sure you go below this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, let the world know, because we're impacting and changing lives one taste bud at a time with these amazing recipes. Also, inquire about how you can grab a hold of our amazing all-purpose barbecue rub. Also, all-purpose barbecue sauce. We have 4 amazing flavors. Inquire about how you can do that. I'll leave a link below where you can also grab a hold of 7 amazing recipes by going to www.saucery.com. Put your name and email in. You'll get 7 amazing recipes. So that's it right there, guys. That is it. And like I said, this whole process maybe took 2 or 3 minutes or something like that. But in terms of the preparation, maybe 10 minutes to dice up the onions, the garlic, the tomato. However, I'm saying draining off the look here, Aaron, draining off the different the different beans, you know, with a strainer. So I use organic beans. I use cannelli beans, kidney beans, and black beans. You can use whatever beans you want. You can use pinto beans. It doesn't make a difference. So this is live food right here, guys. So what I'll do now is I'm gonna taste it. How about we do that? How about we taste this bad boy and see how it comes out? Do a little taste test. Got a little bit of everything. Yo, this right here got a nice little kick to it. My son's gonna love this. It's got a nice little kick to it. You put your hand out, buddy. Put your hand out, buddy. There you go. He always gotta taste something, but you gotta pick. You gotta stay focused, man. He ain't even hold on to the camera, y'all. It's crazy. This is awesome right here. This is awesome right here.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
All right, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take a little bit of this and put this right in this little dish. And this is right here. This is money right here, guys. You're gonna be the talk of every Super Bowl party and parties alike. Right? Boom. Put that on here. Because this is part 2 or episode 2. We have some cilantro. We got some blue corn chips. We garnish this with a little bit of cilantro. Boom. There you have it, guys. Real simple, real easy. Amazing. So guys, thank you for watching. Let us know what you like best about this video. Leave it in the comments below. And again, inquire about how you can grab a hold of George's live blooper. How you can grab a hold of George's all-purpose barbecue sauce, our rub. We have 4 flavors of barbecue sauce. Original, family friendly, mildly hot with a little kick, mangalicious, sweet and spicy, and really hot. And we also have here our amazing all-purpose rub. And again, hit the like button. Tell us what you like tell us what you like best about this video you watch. Share this video, like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel below. I'm so excited, guys. I love cooking food. I love making people happy with food because it's awesome. So guys, until next time, I'm George Duhart from George Live Cooking Show. You guys are awesome. Watch for episode 3 because I'm going to be sharing you another awesome, phenomenal, delicious Super Bowl recipe. You guys are awesome. Fired up.